Gardner team is as concerned about your health and safety as we are for our own team members. That's why we want to assure our clients that Gardner employees are following COVID-19 safety guidelines. Not only do our managers check our employees' health each morning, foremen are checking their fellow team members throughout the day. Guidelines begin with proper training. Crew members wash their hands at the start of each shift and throughout the day. They each wear proper and fitted personal protective equipment. While social distancing may always not be possible due to other safety reasons, it is followed with very few exceptions. Also, our crews wipe down all equipment and PPE with disinfectants at the end of every shift. While in these uncertain times no one is 100% safe, we want you to know we are making 100% effort to keep you and our employees safe.